Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now the last change that has been introduced in the list view is the introduction of a new keyboard shortcut using which you will be able to select multiple blocks in the list view, and that shortcut is shift+home and shift+end. Now to showcase you this, what I'm going to do is I am going to click this list view icon right over here, and you can see the block is already selected on top. So what I am going to do here is I am going to press shift+end, and you will notice it will select all the blocks till the very end. You can see it has selected all the blocks. Now let me press shift+home, and it will just select the top block. This means if you are at the bottom, if you are at the very end, then you can press shift+home and it will select all the blocks above it. And if you are on top, then you can then you can press shift+end and it will select all the blocks below it. Let me press shift+end again. And now in case you want to modify any of the selections, then what you can do is you can press shift and then use any of the arrow keys to modify the changes. You can see right over here I am pressing the up arrow, and it is basically deselecting the blocks below it. It's taking the selection on top. Now I'm selecting the and now I'm clicking the pressing the below arrow, and it is it is selecting the blocks below it.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.